21 pesos today. I'm gonna do 21 pesos challenge. I had this comment from TikTok. Do the NEDA 21 peso challenge. I think it's some kind of check. I don't know what that is. Okay, mag-Tagalog tayo, no? Hindi ko alam ano yung NEDA. Pero in reality, this is just some kind of play for her, no? There's not really a 21 pesos challenge sa Filipino. Oh, even for us, mababa yan masyado to eat for a meal. And I think she is just doing this for clout. But for content-wise, this is good. I actually like Sohee. Very genuine ang reactions niya with paano siya mag-vlog. So, I really like her. But 21 pesos per meal is just ridiculous. And yeah, panoorin natin para support kay Sohee kasi napalupit niyang vlogger at salamat sa kanya. In-enrich na yung Filipino culture challenge that is going on in the Philippines. So basically, you are having one meal with 21 pesos. Is it possible? I don't think it's possible. Sometimes Quick is more expensive than 20 pesos. But anyway, I'm gonna do what I can do. So this is morning. I just woke up. Hello. Ooh. 9 peso. Tubig. Isang. Please. Thank you. Okay. Just this. Thank you for. So I have 12 pesos. I got one bread. One bread, no? Ube, no? Saan niya nabili yan? Para sa amin, birthday na yan, Ginamit. It was 9 pesos. And I have 12 pesos. Let's see if I can buy something. Trouble. I hope I can buy something. I want milk, but with 12 pesos. Natural. Milk? I will just pick the smallest one. It's 14. I don't have 20. And this one is 12 pesos. I should have bought the cheaper bread. Oh my god. This baby touch milk and I should have bought the cheaper bread. Oh my god. That's the cheapest one, ain't it? It's 9 pesos. I have this one here, but I cannot even buy it. Seriously, nothing I can buy here. Well, the cheapest drink would be... I can't have it fast. Oh, I found something. Kidnapping. How does it upset? Is it clothes right there? I don't even want this, but what can I do? This is the normal brand lang yung RC Cola sa Philippines, but tastes like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, it's the same thing. Only thing that I can buy right now, so I'll just do the Pepsi and the bread. I want ice cream. The line is crazy. I think I need to be here forever. Look at that. Nakita niyo, doon meron siya 12 pesos. Tapos 11 pesos for RC. Tapos yung piso nilagay yun sa tip. I got I have nothing there. 9 pesos. My breakfast. I think the most underrated food in the Philippines is bread. Their bread is nice and cheap. What happened? I really want to know what happened to Filipino bread. Why is it cheap? So ako, Pinoy, no? Di ko rin alam pero mura talaga. Pandesal nga dito, 2 lang Isang pandesal, no? 2 lang. Tapos pag umaga, mangyayari yan. Bibili kayo as a family, mga 50 pesos, 40 pesos, tapos, syempre parang hindi kasi ganun kalakas din mag-bread kami dito So, ayan, bikarain na, siguro matanda dalawa. Ako kasi hindi ako mahilig talaga sa pandesal. Mahilig ako mostly pag morning, coffee lang. Tapos, coffee, tapos, hayaan ko lang, kainin ng katawan ko yung buong hungry na yan sa morning, tapos kahain ako lunch na. Kasi pag lunch, meron ako after, usual yun, before work, coffee lang talaga. Pero pag hindi ako nakakain for dinner, I usually have very big breakfast. Usually yun sa Jollibee, mga big breakfast nun, no? Kasama ko yung girlfriend ko, syempre. Magka-work kasi kami, tapos live-in din kami. Kaya sabay kami ang papasok. But usual, lagi siya nakain sa morning and then prepare lang ako ng coffee for me and also take out. So parang 2 coffee ako per morning. And then sa lunch, din ako mag-very, very big lunch. And then, ayun yung dahilan. Kaya minsan di ako nakapag-dinner kasi masyadong malaki na yung kinain ko ng lunch. And, ayun, hindi mag-work sa itong 21 pesos meal kasi coffee ko palang magkano, man. This was 9 pesos, right? Look, if you want a bread like this from Korea, it's probably, at least 80 pesos. 80 pesos? Tinapay. Well, magkano ba kasi conversion sa Korea, no? Hindi na natin masasabi, pero ganun talaga. Philippines, kaya ang daming tourists dito. Isa na doon, sorry. Pero dami talaga sa foreigners, dami nalipat dito kasi yung, kunyari, yung kita nila doon na $1,000 or $2,000, $40,000, pwede ka na mabuhay nandito, medyo dami mo na talaga mabibili. Siya, tinan mo si Zoe, tingin ko sa condominium siya nakatira, pero mga studio type tong lugar niya. Pero alam mo yun, buhay pa rin siya. This now bread, it's not the classic one, it has, there's a syrup as well on top. It's very sweet, and this one, like, kinda crunchy. Ano ba yung bread na? Di ko pa yung natikman. Tinan mo, ako'y taga Pilipinas. Di ko pa natikman yan. Ewan ko masyado din eh. I can't really taste the ume, but it's still good. Let's try this. RC Cola. Why is it so cheap? Maganda yung lugar niya, di ba? RC Cola, pero condominium, itong lugar ko, extra room ko to sa bahay. Kasi, prepare na rin kami para sa malaking family. Gusto namin malaki. Kaya ganito yung room. Grabe rin 4 bedrooms din, kaya ayos. Ito, extra room. Para dito ako mag-ganyan, pag walang pasok. It makes the cheapest drink, like 11 pesos. If it's just a Coke. For me, I think it's better than Pepsi. It's not that sweet. Sometimes Pepsi, Coke, they're too sweet, right? But this one, it's more like carbonated water with a little bit of Coke flavor. No, Pepsi's better. But this one is not bad. It's gone already, and I'm still hungry. Do you even hear what I showing you? Hi, almost started, but it's all here. Oh, good. It's a weekend, and I don't think I can go somewhere with 21 pesos, so I'll just be at home, probably just editing, save my energy. Here at lunch. I just edited videos the whole day, and I'm so hungry. It's my lunchtime. I'll go out with this 21 pesos again. Let's go. Hindi nakain siya with me edits, you know. Alam ko chilig, pero syempre 21 pesos. Ano mo namang gagawin ka dyan? Bibili mo. Sobrang init. Good idea. 11. Oh, it's mommy. It's better. It's 8.50. 0.5. You buy it. No, I'm thinking. Ano po? Magano po isang rice? Kaan? 10? 10. Oh. Isang rice po. And have jumper rice. Noodles with rice. I don't have kitchen. Oh my God, what happened to my kitchen? Ibang tao sa Hindi ko trip. But I don't have the kitchen, unfortunately, so I just use microwave with this silicone. I don't know, I bought it from Dyson. I'm lucky that I have kettle. 2 cups of wood here. It's the fattest movie. It's the baddest. Just go. It's so happy. Oh, listen. Oh, be careful. There. So 2 cups. What kind of cup? I'll just do it. I trust myself. Well, maybe I have. Look at that. It doesn't look like mommy at all. I'm gonna be happy as long as it's good. This is my lunch. It's actually not bad. There's nothing other than soup and noodle. Yeah, there's some. Did you see it? What the only is fine talaga naman I know this. Kahit kailan, parang feeling ko, where's up? I don't know. Siguro, syempre, opportunity din and options. Kaya ganon. Pero, ayan, kaya siya napunta dyan. Kasi 21 pesos per meal ba naman eh. Kahit sino ikaw, diyan ka mapupunta. Tapos, di ko pa alam yung brand na yun na yan. Di man lang Latini or Yakisoba. Ano eh, Quick Chow ba? It says it's spicy and hot. Not really spicy, but just a little bit spicy. So I have a change. Ang kakainan mo sa dinner. Rose yung kinain mo, no? Why is it so yellow there? It's not mommy ang kailangan. Isaw. Yeah, it's always here. But today, it's gone. Damn. Should I eat Bovada noodle so good? Only part is a little fine. Quick. I think that's the only option. Hey. Hello. Can I take a video? Pwede? Paano po? Yeah. Vente. This one. Then this one. Quick. This quid wala mo. Dinner, di ka ba magkasakit niyan? Sohi. Huwag ka nang maniwala dyan sa mga nagde-dare sa'yo kung may nag-dare man or kung gagawa na ganyan. Grabe yung extremity, ewan ko, trip mo yan, nasa sa'yo yan. Pero syempre, lagi mo isipin yung health issues. Safety muna. Hindi ka pwedeng, Diyos ko. 20. Pero syempre tingin ko, makaya to between edits. Alam ka naman, ito lang talaga, di ba? Lahat naman tayo pwedeng gawin yan in video, but alam mo, unless you really take a whole day video, but stream, pero syempre, between edits, hindi pwede masyado nakakagutom yung ginawa niya. Pero mukha ngayon niya quick. Nice. Sampu. Kikyam. Then. Not blabber. No. Kakut. Double. What? Salamat po. Bye-bye. Apple dear. I think this one is bigger than quick. I'm so hungry. For you, there's nothing I can buy. This is my last meal. Tuke? I think tuke, maybe. Well, it's hard. Boget. Zero, bean sprouts. This is so delicious. Bean sprout inside. I used to have my sauce. Tumna ako. I feel like I can eat the chair now. This is crazy. 21 pesos. Maybe it's possible if you have a kitchen. Posible pag may kitchen, pero ano lulutuin mo? Itlog. Tapos rice. Nagmami ka na, tapos tiklog. Ayun, kahit isang itlog magkano ngayon, 10. Tapos yung pinila mong mami, 11. Bet They would, mabibili mo. Candy. Sige, Emilio. Ayun po. But not everyone has kitchen, you know. No, kahit may kitchen ka. Sorry, wala. Magyagi Abby say, yeah. There I'm staying right now, I don't have kitchen. I mean, I have, but if I use the kitchen, I need to pay 2,000 pesos extra. Really. I cannot even use the rice cooker. I bought it because I thought that using my own rice cooker is okay. But the thing is that that's also extra 2,000 pesos. I don't know why. Sabi naman Ay, okay. Ganun talaga yung ibang condominium owner. Minsan, gusto ka lang talaga nilang gatasan. Kumbaga, hindi naman talaga yan bawal, no? Lalo na gamit mo. Pero yung pagluluto, syempre may amoy kasi yan. Pagluluto ng pagkain, ulam, mangyayari niyan, pwede maapektuhan yung condominium. Syempre mga amoy, no? Didikit yung mga amoy sa taas, sa ceiling mo, tapos mag-i-stay siya sa buong room. So, ayun yung magiging mangyayari sa room mo. And, syempre, hindi ka naman dyan permanent titira. Ang mangyayari rin, yung mga next na, titira dyan, pwede yung magiging reklamo nila. And makakasibay sa future business nila. Kasi, of course, for business purposes yan. So, mostly Airbnb, for rent. So, ayun yan, for food. Pero rice, I'm not sure, yung rice naman kasi, wala naman siyang amoy, onte. Hindi ko alam. Minsan, strict lang talaga yung owners to. So, hahanap ka lang talaga ng owners na hindi ganyan ka-strict para free din yung mga bagay-bagay sa'yo. So, I'm not doing it because one meal should be 21 pesos, but could you say that? I think stream only is living in another era. Maybe vanilla is more expensive, but I guess it's almost impossible. I mean, I can eat this for today. I was able to do this, but imagine doing the same thing every day. I might die early. All you can get is something unhealthy. I might die early. It was sad that there are actually some people who have less than 21 pesos per meal, especially when they have kids. I mean, I'm an adult, so eating this is kind of okay compared to kids. I failed. Yeah, I did. I failed. I gave up. I'm so hungry. I can't sleep. I need to eat. So, ending, diba, pumayag niya. Ganun talaga, hindi pwede. Wala makagawa nun. Hindi ko alam paano nila naisip yun. Pero siyempre, enjoy na lang natin to.